Morning all. I hope you all have seen part 1 of chapter 5. In that we discussed about the Simon Commission, about the Dandi March. And now moving ahead in the Dandi March, let us see what is there. Dandi Yatra that we have discussed, it was on 11th March. On the 11th March evening it was being started, and on 12th March they continued it. And see this, now moving ahead we will see about the constructive aspects of the Dandi March. See, during Dandi March numerous constructive programs like boycott of foreign clothes, prohibitions of liquor, removing untouchability, Hindu Muslim unity, and oath to do social service, etc. were held. See, during this march, Dandi March, numerous constructive programs were here carried on, like a boycott of foreign goods, prohibition of liquor, removing of untouchability, Hindu Muslim unity, and oath to understand social service, etc. that was being held. And Dandi Yatra and breaking of salt law brought not only nationwide consciousness, but it brought fame in the aspects of non-violent struggle and movement towards wild. See, Dandi March and breaking of salt law was not only brought means nationwide consciousness, but they also brought what the worldwide fame also to India's success through the non-violence. Procession programs and assemblies were conducted for boycotting foreign goods, prohibition of foreign liquors, and picketing and on liquors, making, not giving revenue tax, satyagraha for removal of untouchability. And to weaken this agitations and struggles, the government started lathi charge, imprisonment, and other atrocities. See, assemblies, processions, as well as the programs, they were also being conducted for boycotting foreign goods and prohibiting foreign liquors and stopping liquor production also. And they were not on also not paying revenue taxes, removing untouchability, etc. And to weaken this act, to make this act weak, the government, they what they did, lathi charge, imprisoned the people, and they also adopted the selfish and cruel way. And against this the people damaged and destroyed what they destroyed and damaged. See, the lathi charge, it was under, see, the people now they became weakened against this, and the struggle, the government started what they started lathi charge, and they imprisoned the people. Then the people reacted by what? By destroying railway stations. See, against this, what happened? The people damaged and they destroyed railway station, post office, police station, and other government buildings. And the incidents like agitations held under the leadership of Abdul Ghaffar Khan, founder Gandhi at Vadala, Bombay, struggle against foreign liquor under the leadership of Kasturba Gandhi in Bombay, Garsana in Surat, and Viramgam during the salt law agitations, renunciation of government service, as well as removal of children from government school were the major highlights of this movement. See what happened. The other incident that occurred were that the agitations done under the leadership of Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He was also known as Frontier Gandhi at Vadala, Bombay, and struggle against foreign liquor that was under the leadership of Kasturba Gandhi was suppressed in Bombay, Gharsana village in Surat, and Viramgam during the salt law, and agitations, renunciation of government service, as well as the removal what of the children from the government schools, that was also highlighted in this incident during this movement. Now moving ahead, the Gandhi Irwin Pact Round Table Conference and Moratorium of Satyagraha. See, Gandhiji was called upon by the Britishers for the Round Table Conference that is related to the constitutional struggles and reform. See, after Dandi March, the British imprisoned Gandhiji. Many satyagrahis for illegal producing salt, and this sparkled another civil disobedient movement. and the British got quite afraid of this and thought of negotiating with Indians. So it bring a solution to Indians' problem. The British called Gandhiji for a round table conference for discussing constitution reform, and the first roundtable conference was held, but the absence of Congress leader it was for futile. See the so it bring see the Congress leader did not attend the first roundtable, and so nothing worked out in that conference. To reconcile with Congress, a pact between Gandhiji's and Irwin was made, which was known as Gandhi-Irwin Pact, March 1931, in which permission of free collection or manufacture of salt by person near the sea coast and permission of peaceful picketing were the main points. See, then the second roundtable conference was held on March 1931. In this conference, Gandhiji met Lord Irwin and Viceroy of India, and this pact is known as Gandhi-Irwin Pact in the history. See, the Indian agreed to discontinue the Satyagraha movement. And see, in the second round table, Gandhiji was only representative from Congress. See, he was the only representative. And see, what happened? The two men, what was the British agreed to were that they permitted free collection or production of salt by person near sea coast, and they also permit peaceful picketing of liquor and foreign clothes shop. In the second round table, Gandhiji was the only representative from Congress and British, and discriminating points for various religious committees to which Gandhiji was deeply disappointed, and therefore the conference was dissolved. See, what was the failure of this conference? Gandhiji was the only representative from Congress to attend the second roundtable conference, and the British, in the name of reforms, put some such point that were aimed for at discrimination various religious committee, and as a result, what happened? Gandhiji he got deeply disappointed, and therefore the second conference was dissolved, and it was also failed to bring constitution reforms for India. Quit India movement. See, now we'll see is the Quit India movement. What was the background of a Quit India movement? Keeping in mind the World War situation, the Congress Working Committee decided to end the Indian Satyagraha 19 in January 1942, and the British government attempt to decide of India by Cripps mission. So Indians were angry and dejected. Therefore, people of India no longer had faith in the British rule. They assumed that the British did not wish to quit India. Gandhiji advised the people to come out of despair and prepare to give a new and last fight. See, in this keeping people in the mind, what happened, that the World War situation, that was the Congress Working Committee was there. They decided to end this individual satyagraha on January 1942, and the British government he started to deceive people of India by what? By Cripps mission. See, he started to deceive the people, the people for this. See, the British, what happened, looking for the situation of the world war, the Congress Working Committee they decided to end the individual satyagraha. And see, the Britain was now they were facing major problem during Second World War, so they decided to send Stafford Cripps to India to conceive Indians to support England in the war, and this was known as Cripps mission. And against what happened, this the British they offered the help to India in giving it the power it wanted, and the Cripps mission that also proved to be failure. So Indians were angry and they rejected it, and they failed. What they felt that they were again being cheated by British proposal, and therefore the people of India totally they lost their faith in British. On August 9th, 1942, resolution of Quit India movement was passed in the Working Committee of Congress held at Mumbai. See, this what happened during the Second World War. The British, they wanted to help help from Indians, so they made an offer to India to constitution reform in the month of August, and this came to be known as August Offer. And it was on August 9th, 1942, a resolution of Quit India movement was passed, and this was passed on and this to give a final fight. The British, the Gandhiji, under the Working Committee of Congress they held at Mumbai, announced to start Quit India movement on 9th August 1942. And on the second day of the resolution, Gandhiji, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, and some other amendment Congress leader, they were arrested. And news, see the when the this happened, what happened in this, when the world was fighting the Second World War, and the Congress Working Committee, they decided to end the satyagraha in January 1942. And the British government, they needed the help of India to fight the war, so they sent home Cripps mission. They sent Cripps mission to India for constitutional reforms for India and wanted to decide Indian independence. And however, the British again cheated India through what? Through Cripps mission, and therefore the people, they lost totally their faith on British, and they strongly believe that the British do not wish to quit India, and hence what happened, this give a final fight to British. And Gandhiji, under the Working Committee of Congress that was being held in Mumbai, announced to start a Quit India movement on 9th August 1942. And see, on the very second day, what happened? This resolution, the British arrested Gandhiji, Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Azad, and some other eminent Congress leaders. So the British also, in this what happened, the British, they banned newspapers. See, newspapers were banned. Religion and district level Congress leader, they were arrested simultaneously. Arrest of Gandhiji and other leaders also resulted in the national wide strike, and Gandhiji said, "This is the last fight in my life, and therefore people of India should make all attempt to achieve independence." And he gave the slogan, "Do or die." See, they arrested various religion and district level Congress leader also. They arrested Gandhiji and the other leaders, that resulted in a nationwide strike. In this, the Gandhiji said, "This is the last fight in my life, and therefore people of India, they should make all attempt to achieve independence." And he gave the slogan also, "Do or die." Strikes during the Quit India movement. See, what were the strike during the Quit India movement? See, the Quit India movement, that was the final and the largest movement for all the driving away the British. And hence the people from all the walks of life, they were included from rural, urban region, workers, farmers, students, teachers, businessmen, and the women, they all participate in this movement. See, and the workers, they went on strikes in factories. The workers of iron factories in Jamshedpur and cotton mills at Madras, they also went on strike. And 1 lakh mills worker, that is 75 cotton mills industries of Ahmedabad, went on peaceful strike. Where, for how many days? For 105 days. The colleges and schools also went on strike in this. And the market of Ahmedabad remained closed for nearly 3.5 months. So this all was because of the strike which was held during the Quit India movement. So in the next part we will see about harmful activities during Quit India movement. Thank you till then.